Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to break down for you how you can start a new app project to build or to create in the Adalo app builder, either manually or by using the help of an AI app building assistant in 2026. So let us dive into this, guys. So navigate to Adalo in your web browser. And what you want to do is log into your account. And here in the main screen where you will see actually your recent app project, you will see this tab here at the top, Task Sync Hub or Create a New App. So we need to click into this button. If you signed up on Adalo and log in for the first time, of course, you won't see this app project of yours, of course, because we haven't created any application yet, unless of course you have used the AI assistant after first login to guide you through the app building process and to create it or to build it basically for you based on your prompt. However, guys, as you can see, we're here on that example app, so I'm going to show you how to create or how to initiate such an app building project. So what you want to do is click into Create New App, and there are two ways. You may use, for example, the app building assistant here run by the artificial intelligence on Adalo. So you will be guided through a short conversation with the AI chat assistant here, and it will ask you to provide some information within your prompt about the app. For example, I don't know, a project or team management app with features and functions X, Y, Z, and so on and so forth. So use that prompt here, the text field, of course, to enter your prompt with as much detail as possible, and so that the AI app builder may use your prompt to build the app for you. There may be also some additional questions after your first prompt. And for my first application I built or created here on Adalo, it took the AI somewhere around 2 or 3 minutes. It depends, of course, on your prompt and how much content, features, and functions you'd like to have included in the app. So press enter or click into this button to send your request. Alternatively, guys, you may use the app builder manually. To do that, skip the AI chat assistant here and click into I want to use the classic builder. After that, you'll be asked, for instance, to choose your platform like mobile, tablet, or desktop, or mobile only. Click into next. Choose a template, for example. Let me go for blank first so that we can start with a completely new blank project. Click into next again. And after that, you may give your app a name, set a primary color, a secondary color, and once that's done, you will be redirected to the next button in the bottom right corner to be redirected to the app builder I just showed you, so that you may use the tools from there. And that's basically it, guys. You can customize let me just return to the previous app. Let me just refresh the page. So that's how the app editor would look like, or will look like, once we have finished creating the setup here for the app project, and you'll be given the opportunity to add, for example, various components to the app, like text boxes, buttons, to pages of your app, of course, lists of sections, and so on and so forth. So yeah, you can go through these menus here and insert, for instance, these elements and components into your pages of the app. You can also zoom in and, for instance, switch between desktop, tablet, mobile view, and so on and so forth. So that's how you initiate a new app project here on Adalo to customize and edit it later according to your own preferences. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.